Welcome back to Crypto Sensei for the next part of the tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the exchanges. That means that you can use the mCodex indicator with TradingView in conjunction with your exchange. So that will show you how to set up your trades with the exchange that you're going to set up now. So it's very simple. It's as easy as setting up your TradingView account. Probably the most common ones that we have exchanges are Binance, Bybit, and Phemex. I would not recommend Binance for now. It's very daunting for beginners, and Phemex is also a bit daunting and very cluttery. So I would just go for something really simple and streamlined for the present moment, and that's Bybit. What you can do is also you can use our referral link at the bottom below the description, and you can also get some rewards. They have like a reward center where there's promotions and you can collect coupons and extra rewards, so you can fund your account with that. The reason why Bybit and Phemex is for me better, you can actually sign up and register without doing the KYC, and that is know your customer, so you don't have to submit your passports or your IDs, etc. to get registered. Later on, yes, to get different tiers or levels to trade higher leverage or to withdraw or deposit a lot more, they will obviously require that. But to start off with a minimum amount, there's no problem with that. Also, just take note, I've jotted down a couple of exchanges which might work in your countries. It's Bybit, Binance, Phemex, Kraken, Luno, Coinbase, Robinhood, Gemini, CEX, and CoinMama. There might be ones in your country which are different. Please take note. So what you can do is you can buy from the ones in your country, and then you can send it through to the exchange where you're trading on. Or what I like about Bybit and Phemex now, and even Binance, they've allowed now that you can actually purchase with your debit card on the exchange. So let me just go and show you quickly. I have it set up over here. So you just go to buy crypto, and you can see Visa and MasterCard. If you want $100, it will show you that's how much BTC you get. If you want to buy US dollar Tether, it will be pegged 1-to-1, so that's how much you'll get after fees, and you can trade in that as well. And that's pretty much it. So that's when you want to be purchasing it with your debit card or your credit card. And then there's another way of doing it. You can just go into your assets, and from any of these exchanges, you can actually, whichever ones are in your country, you can purchase the cryptocurrency over there of your liking, any of these that you see listed over here. You can click on deposit, you copy your deposit link, and from your exchange, you'll withdraw it from your exchange, for example, one of these from your country, and then you'll deposit it into this address. Just make sure it's BTC to BTC or US dollar Tether to US dollar Tether. Make sure the chain type is exactly the same as well, and that's how you fund your account. The easiest way is just to use the buy and purchase from your debit or credit card to fund your account. So once that is all set up and done, all fair is well, I can show you the next tutorial video. Once your account is funded, then the exciting stuff happens, and that's when we can actually start trading. So for example, we can start doing some live trading. Here you can see one's already running at the bottom here. We entered in, and then we can show you with regards to how it would look when you want to enter in with the index and the indicator over here, the codex indicator. It will show you short, long, and going on the different time frames, we can see when we want to enter. So for me example, I was looking at an entry down here at the bottom. I'm just looking at the 1 minute time frame, and I'm waiting for it to go higher to flash on a higher time frame to say long, and then it will give me a better confirmation. But for the meantime, I already entering in just to secure it and if it does come back down again, I don't make that much of a loss because I'll set a stop loss. So I'll risk manage my portfolio as well. So all of these things will be explained in the next video. Thank you so much for sharing, and wait for the next video. Take care and happy trading.